Welcome fellow adventurer and dungeon master to a new edition of Character Concept for You, where I create level 1 characters for you to use as either heroes or NPCs. Feel free to change them in any way you like or create your own hero with the build you see before you. My name is Model42 and today I want to tell you about Mari, a human Beastkin Fighter who can be the leader or ex-leader of a group of bandits or thieves that joins your party or becomes an amazingly interesting NPC. She is actually one of my absolute favorite characters created so far for this channel. At the end of my hopefully inspirational video you will find my character sheet for her that you can easily save via screenshots. For the PDF version you only need to follow the description, and now let us take a look together. Mari has an almost maxed class DC based on her strength, which is very high for a thinly framed body like she has, is also quite dexterous, healthy, quite smart, not wise and more calculated, as well as a charming person with great looks that radiate more in her human form. She is not that skilled as most fighters, though is very good in athletics, diplomacy and intimidation, which are her main talents, with decent saving throws aside from willpower, a well-trained perception, 2 languages, a normal movement speed and only the minimum hit points. She might not look like the best fighter so far, but as we will see, never underestimate her. She has a good armor class when wearing her iconic armor, though even without it, it's not that bad, though she is more an offensive character trying to quench a source of danger before it can strike, which she can do with ease if she wields her bastard sword with both of her hands. As a fighter she has more actions than passive abilities right now, though her human form which she can change into is a gorgeous, Chinese woman with long black hair and green eyes. Also she has the skill feat group coercion, making her able to coerce up to 2 people at the same time, which will only go up once she becomes more proficient. As a beastkin she can perform the change shape action at will, and we also have space for a summary of how coercion works, since it kinda is important for her job as a bandit, as well as the usual attack of opportunity and shield block reactions, the latter pretty much never used. With her exacting strike she can try to hit without increasing her multiple attack penalty further on a fail, but her more prominent special action is the power attack, which for 2 actions uses 2 of her weapon dice instead of 1, which is devastating with a 2-handed bastard sword. Her equipment is very normal, though she has a set of caltrops at the ready for critical moments. If you want to level her up authentically, increase her damage potential first, followed by her intimidation and diplomacy-based possibilities, focusing in her strength, charisma, intelligence and dexterity in that order. Also adding a dedication might be a fun idea, and since she is a fighter, you can pretty much add anything you want, maybe a ranger if you want to go full Robin Hood with her. Since Mari is a beastkin you need to ask your dungeon mistress for permission to play her, but honestly, come on, who wouldn't have such a badass in their game? As a chaotic good character she does not care for the law at all, though adheres to her own set of rules, which, since she is good, is akin to stealing from the rich to give it to the poor and only take enough for herself to get by. Her way of life however still feels only as a sort of first step, and she still does not know her place in this world, with maybe the beginning adventure revealing it to her. When it comes to her friends, her family or her lover, she absolutely cherishes them with all her heart, going above and beyond to secure their health and well-being, providing for them like a rat mother would her young babies with all they need until they are strong enough to survive on their own, though in her case, she stays with them until the bitter end, which cannot be said for her relationship to people that do not accept her beast form, which is her preferred self. As her life is dangerous, no matter if is bandit or an aspiring adventurer, she knows to counter that danger with revelry, having fun with her friends at the tavern or at the campfire, merry around and also maybe share a bed with someone she really likes and cares for, underlining her value in those that she cherishes. Taking this to another level when it comes to her gear, which she maintains in tip-top shape and knows how to use and care for. If she is visiting towns and cities, she usually changes into her human form, which is a stunning and gorgeous Tian woman, dressed in simple clothes, with long and flowing silky black hair and piercing though radiating green eyes, though still being armed underneath. When she is new and strange countries where she is not bound to be recognized because of wanted posters, she might stay in her true form. She took up banditry together with other people from her city, and joined a small group of rat folk who were stealing to help the poor beggars and orphans on the street, a cause she could get behind and right now embodies deeply by standing up to oppression with hatred and determination, though should she face bandits and thieves, if they only steal to get by or to help others in need, she will show mercy and often let them go, instead of ending their lives or punishing them in another way. Traveling the world, she hopes to find her true soulmate, that special person who not only accepts her for what she is, but that shares her values, feelings and is as sweet and caring as he is strong and brave. Thank you for sticking with me to the end, and if you like Mari or just want to help out, leave a like and subscribe for more content and guides. You can also leave a comment of what you think about her or how you would use this strong female character, or build, in your games. Stay safe my friends, and we will see each other somewhere in Galarian. If you are looking for the character sheet pages, here they come.